Today, we're going to show you how to make adobo. Now, you've already done this once, so this should be a refresher. Anyway, we got chicken. Since Sophie wants chicken legs for dinner, we got some chicken legs we'll put in the oven in a second. So it gives me about 8 chicken legs we're going to do. So, 8 chicken legs are going to go into this pot. Here are the spices that we're going to use. We got some coriander, we have some pickle. Ooh, let's look at Mommy's pretty hair. Look at Mommy's pretty hair. Hello. Okay. We got some soy sauce, ACV, coriander ground, bay leaves, pickling spices, some crushed garlic, and then your choice of bouillon. Okay? And then a measuring cup, because we're going to measure. Okay, excuse me, step back for a second. We are going to take the chicken legs like this. And usually I rinse them first, but I've been reading that if you rinse chicken legs before you cook them, it actually spreads the bacteria. So, since it's going to be in here we're going to punish you. For about 45 minutes to an hour, it's going to kill everything. So take a picture of the pot. Not take a picture of the pot, but have a look at the pot. While I throw this away. All right, into the pot goes 8 cups, roughly 8 cups of water. So here we go. This is a 4-cup container, so I got to do it twice. And I'm using filtered water. You can use tap, I guess. Not in sack. Don't use tap in sack. Okay. Is that upside down or right upside up?
It's fine.
Okie dokie.
I don't know.
Thank you, Kaya, for being my camera woman. So into the thing. Here goes 4 cups. You guys show what the 4 cups look like. That's 4 cups. Now you might think, oh, that's too much, but you're going to lose a lot. You're going to lose a lot of fluid in evaporation. So you do want to actually have a lot of sauce to start. All right, so here's the water. It's about 8 cups. 8 cups of water into our pot. And then we are going to get, why don't you move over here?
Hi, Lucy.
Measuring cups. We need an 1/8
Heavy.
of a cup. And we need measuring spoons. Okay, measuring spoons. And I have no idea what this is. This is a 1/3. I want quarter cup. Where's quarter? I think this is a quarter. Let's just call this a quarter cup.
That looks like a 1/3.
No, this is a quarter.
Sure.
Yeah, step back. All right, so now what we're going to do, I got my little cheat sheet here, because we're going to take a 1/2 cup of soy. 1/2 cup.
Take the metal one. Metal pack.
1/2 cup soy sauce. All right, 1/2 cup. Doesn't have to be perfect. Can be a little bit more. Right there. 1/2 cup of soy. Oh, damn dog. And soy sauce is away. Next, we're gonna take our apple cider vinegar. We want an 1/8 of a cup. I don't have an 1/8 of a cup. So here, I'm going to show you how much I put in.
How many?
This is a quarter cup. So I'm putting about half. See? Can you see that?
Yeah.
About half.
Except it's like orange on orange. You can barely.
It smells like Easter.
Of course it does.
All right, now we're going to take about. So here's things. You got chicken better than broth, and you have beef. Both are good, but sometimes I like the beef broth. So just for today, I'm gonna use beef, but I use both. Some days I use beef, some days I use chicken. I'm gonna take about a tablespoon of this sticky stuff. Stick it into here. It is sticky. You want to waste it, so you want to get it all out.
You were right. This is upside down, but whatever.
Is it upside down?
Doesn't matter.
Damn it.
What? It's fine.
Well, it's going to show. She's going to have to watch it upside down.
No.
Let's see if we can rotate it. Anyway. So I'm just trying to get... Oh, don't get these wet. All right. So there we go. That's about a tablespoon. Okay, and then we're gonna need a tablespoon of garlic. Crushed garlic, you have some too. Could be a heaping spoon. Right into the pot. Easy peasy. Broth, my bouillon is done. Now, you want a teaspoon of coriander, ground coriander. Okay, I gave this to you in I think a plastic bag. You only need about a teaspoon. Okay, just sprinkle it out, all nice and pretty. Okay, then we want our pickling spice. Now this is about a tablespoon-ish. I do about a capful, just like that. That's what pickling spice looks like, okay? And I make it myself. I make my own. This is my own blend. And then I kind of put it in the store box. You know, this is $8 at the store. Screw that. I didn't put no $8 in there. Last, bay leaf, okay? Take a bay leaf, like so. Nice big one. Oh, that's a big one. All right, one bay leaf. And I'll just,
Crushed almost.
Not crushed, but just like that. And then we'll get our measuring spoon. We're just gonna mix it up. And that's it. Turn on the heat. On high.
That's hot.
That is high. And then put on our cover. Here.
Sugar.
Dog's gonna kill you. See? Tries to kill you and me. And that is it. Put a timer for about an hour. I'll do like 45 minutes. We'll do 40 minutes. And that's it. There's adobo. Okay, we'll come back in about 40 minutes and we'll show you the results. Okay, stop. Or pause. Or do whatever.
River. Say hi to Bella.
Oh, shoot. Ready? Say when. Okay. So, adobo went about 45 minutes. You can see most of the water is gone. But it looks pretty damn done. You give it a stir. I didn't have to add water. You can see the chicken is just coming off the bone now. So you know it's done when it's just sliding off. So, yeah, I'm going to call this adobo done. That's it. Enjoy. Love you.